Hello, my brothers and sisters. Una good morning. All my Edo people around the world, una good morning. I want talk to my message for today na for Abat Obaze. Abat, you be Edo brother. All this problem where dey ground so, all this news where you dey poison people mind dey do for social media, na you cause am. Make we try, make we dey appreciate good thing. Abat, you no like better thing? You no like good thing? Huh? Why e be say una wey be Edo people, no be all, there are many good heart loving Edo people all over the world, but una wey be say una give una self to Satan, to dey manipulate, to Satan, to dey play with their heart. I just dey sorry for una. As Abat don do live video reach, una suppose to don know say Abat is jealous of Don Usagi. Una suppose to don know say Abat himself, he no get good heart. He's a Confucianist. Abat is nothing but a Confucianist. And for una information, Abat don't have anything to offer to any of una. He just dey deceive una, take build him own selfish interest. Una see am, una go write today's date down. He just dey deceive una, make he take build his own selfish interest. And one thing wey I go tell you about, you will not go far, my brother. You will not go far, because I never see where darkness dey conquer light. It's not done in anywhere. Darkness no fit conquer light. Wetin Don Usagi do you wey be say you no let am rest for waist? Wetin he do you? That energy, that power wey you just take dey sit down for video 24 hours, take dey monitor who God don bless. That power, if you use am find money for Nigeria, you for don make am. You for don make am. Why you no just try make you face your life? Make you use that strength wey you take dey monitor people for Facebook, take dey lie against them. Why you no just use that strength take fight for your own life, make you turn to better person? And one thing wey I wan tell you, Dion wey you dey fight, God involve for a matter. If you be Christian, if you dey read your Bible, you will see am wetin God talk about people where they donate, people where they give help to orphans, people where they give help to widows and all these things. You go see wetin God talk about those people. No dey spoil people mind against Don Usagi. It will not benefit you anything. You are using it. You dey use am dey destroy your own life. You dey use am dey destroy your unborn children life. I dey tell you, my brother, try and change. Evil no dey pay. Evil will only pay you in a bad way. Because the Bible say, whatsoever a man sow, so shall he reap. Eba, my guy. Try and make you change from all this. All these things will not help you. If you even succeed to put down God's same foundation, Dion have nothing to lose. Dion no get anything to lose. Even though Dion na person wey be say he no be hardworking guy before, he never achieve anything for his life. Without his passport, if he go anywhere for the world, go suffer stay. Talk less or say God don't bless that guy. Because person where they give person food chop, person where they hungry, no fit feed person. The guy live in comfort zone. He come the dark country, Nigeria. Una no let am rest. Wetin he do una? Wetin he do una? People full Ring Road, people full Benin, wey need help. Why you no go wake up one in the morning, make you use your car dey find those people, dey go as Dion dey do am? Why e be say na people wey Dion na people where Dion want help, na people where Dion don't they help, na there you they shook your head. All this problem where they ground so, where they everywhere for social media, now you create am. Huh? You no go fit win now, my guy. You no go fit win because this battle is not of Dion, it's God's battle. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, if you know what is good for you, just suffer rest. May you concentrate on your life. That strength where you tell they jealous, that strength where you tell they monitor people. May you use and take concentrate on your life. It will benefit you more. You no fit fight with God. You cannot fight with God. You go call this one scam, you go call that one, you go call that one. People where say everybody no good, you know say na ain't no good. What did you do you? This Kingsley matter where can't dey ground so where be say the thing can't cast kata for everywhere. People they blame Kingsley. I not to blame that guy. Because that guy you deceive am come out from house where be say Dion don't they follow up with the matter. I know say na you deceive am. You trick the man come out for house. May you from there enter Dion body. Don't tell where you they plan all these things. Just this one come for you. And another thing where I want to ask you. Now let Kingsley be person where Dion don't help. No. Dion don't they help a lot of people for that foundation. And I dey follow up in this in program every day. And I never see anybody where be say go that office where be say Dion go support. Where be say Dion go help am with hospital expenses. Where be say no they finish the case. If they finish their cases. And I never still see person where be say if they donate for them, say Dion go you carry the whole money, give them at once. No. Now if they treat them. That they make sure say that they treat them. Okay, Kingsley come. He say his wife get breast cancer. Okay, he put on for live video. Everybody start to donate. If not be Dion, how people all over the world go take no Kingsley? People donate finish. About 3 people that day. Now he pay direct. Other people pledged. They never bring on direct. Dion put hand for pocket. He complete on 200. Because if you go watch the video, the man say doctor say make they go do whether na chemo or something. Make they do chemo about 3 times. Dion give am 200,000. Dion even ask fans say, are we to trust this man to give this man this money? People say yes. He give am. Okay, you go and start with the treatment, the chemo immediately. Now so the man take comot. And not be there the case for end. Because you not let them finish wetin they do. The man, he never just reach 2 days. The man never even do the chemo finish. You deceive that Kingsley. You deceive am. Come on for house. Now another thing you can't do. If not be trouble or jealousy where they jealousy, other people not daring growth where they help. Even around you there, your own community, or Magba where you did there are a lot of people that need help. Why can't you pick from those ones and help them? Why be saying that the one way attached to the Onosage? My guy, I beg, change your way. And una way go they complain, I saw na give am money, I saw na give am money. Meaning not be because of good thing where they do na give am money. Una get other thing where follow am. Like me now, I be person where they give. If I give, I don't give. It not concern me. I not figure the question the person where to use the money do. Even for Europe here, anywhere where you go see all this Caritas fundraising. You go see all this cancer fundraising. Any money where there with you, if you like, you drop on there. And you not figure the question the how they spend the money, how the money waka, because you are a free giver. You don't give. God don't write down say you don't give. So why be say something come your happen how bad just they manipulate all of una man and start to the cause genocide. Wetin una wan gain? May we still learn to dey appreciate good thing. E no easy. that guy come from his comfort zone. He come out for America, a country full of light. He come dark country, come dey help una no appreciate. Na so una still do am Bruce Ali that time, the time where that man be governor. And I no see any governor wey better pass that man ever since. Na so una still swear for am Bruce Ali, oh, una still curse am. During the time of Ali, it was free notebook, it was free desk, it was free pencils for school. Na so una still curse that man till one still finally kill am. May we change our way. Na only us dey this life wey be say anything wey just go Edo State, wey go Benin, go turn to something else. All this thing una dey do, so una dey use am dey scare people away not to come Edo State come invest, because people wey see the pressure wey the Onosage dey pass through now, many of them go discourage. This thing una dey feel say na so una dey donate for, no be the Onosage una dey help. Una dey help to develop una community. Una dey help to make una country, una community better, which go benefit every one of us. Not be the Onosage una dey help. The Onosage can decide say he no want again, and he no get anything to lose. The guy get wisdom. The guy get vision. Those children wey dey comot for street now, for example, he no comot those ones for street, definitely some of them will grow to become armed robber. If they see the future, if they see many things, if they try to still do it on his own way, instead of make we put hand for a bag, make we support am, we dey castigate am. Why? We Edo people, make we change our heart. E no good. E no good. What will you gain to pull your own brother down? But you dey call yourself crack team. Me no know the kind village boss where you be. You are a crack team. You are a crackhead bitch. That is what you are. Since I grow rich like this, I never see man. He go use the monitor your own brother success in one. Oh my God. Oh, I pity for you, I pity for you. You don't know what you they do now. Satan they use you. At the end of the day, that same Satan will destroy you. And that time don't too late. And for una where about they plant evil seed for, if they plant evil seed for una mind, una use the una they disturb, una they use and they destroy una life. Mo una try, mo una open una eye. At least it don't reach now. One una go know say Abba na jealousy, they jealous Dion. He want Dion to leave Nigeria so that he can start his own foundation. And Abba, I want to tell you, no, you waste your time start your own foundation. You do something else, because without the heart of love, no one can do charity. Without the heart of love, you can never do charity. It will not go work. Una use they do something as if God no dey exist. Una go use they do something as if say maybe this life, this world, now just get am. The owner of this world is in heaven watching every one of us. Una wait, come they shout up and down, so una donate money. If una really dey fear God, if una know say no be una get this world, money where you don't give, you don't give. As e be say about one do over, sabi say person wey Dion don dey help, person wey Dion don dey follow him matter, say he wan carry am for head. What did you expect the man to do? He leave am for am, make treat am. I no see any bad thing wey Dion do for there. He no do any bad. You dey try to help person now, you dey make effort to help person. Another person come take the person from your hand, do over sabi say he wan help am. What will you do? You go leave the person, make carry go. And Dion still talking for live video, say anybody wey contribute for that woman case, you fit contact am, make you collect your money. Now so he talk, Mona go listen to the video when newly reach America. He talk am. Which one are you come dey spoil the name for? Una use dey do all these things, sha. I know una dey waste una time, because God is involved in Dion's matter. Because those children head where Dion they gather, they give food every Saturday. Those widow, those orphans where Dion they help. Their spirit will not allow it. And una think say una dey do am for Dion, una think say una dey fight against Dion. No, una dey fight the wrong battle, because you people are fighting with God. Abeg Edo people, make we dey like better thing, make we dey appreciate good thing. When Dion Osage come, when he start this movement, I was very, very happy, because for him to break that yoke, he come from America, come start that thing. If all this trouble no dey, you go see say other people go dey fall in, other people go dey fall in. Within couples of years, Edo go change, Edo state go change. But wetin una dey do so, una don discourage many people when be dey plan to come home. We all dey complain, I saw Nigeria not good, oh, Nigeria not good. Nigeria is a very good land, a blessed land. People where e dey, some of una heart too dark. As that country dark, na so some of una heart, na so e dark. Una thinking dark. Because person where e heart not dark, person where e thinking not dark, e know your fit dey monitor e fellow brother for anywhere where e go, try to spoil am. And you are bad. You know they see, say person where God don't give crown, you cannot remove that crown. You cannot. You will try, but you will never succeed. Huh? E no take una money. Charity wey they do, e no be by force. Now when you like, una come turn and say na so e dey scam, na so na thief. What is the definition of scam? What is the definition of stealing? Mona go check am where. Dion Osage is just trying to help his people. Dion Osage no force me I donate for a donation for a foundation. That foundation is not even for him alone. It's for we all Edo. And it's our responsibility to make sure say that foundation stand for the betterment of Edo people. Eh? I beg, may we change our way. It not force anybody more donate. Giving is a thing of the heart. If you feel like, if the story touch you, if you are people that care about the poor, the orphans, the homeless, you show love. And if you don't give, let her end there. Now God go reward you. Why is it good to give? Because the more you are giving, the more you receive. When you are doing it genuinely. Not be all this giving one at the turn. I go give, you know, go they shut up and then I saw now give her money. Waiting. When I just go look Facebook. Everybody know they disgrace on herself because of this matter. Huh? The one way just come they pay me pass. If people where they Nigeria still they reason low now because of the dark country where they dey, it not go still to pay me finish. Not be it not go still pay me too much. Not be people where still there abroad wanna know wetin charity organization be. Everybody where they this abroad. Nobody where be say never benefit from social welfare. Nobody where be say never benefit for all this charity organization. Everybody. If we can benefit all these things from another man's land, people that are not even close to us, why can't we give to our people in Africa? Why? Edo people are bad. Mona change. Mona still allow good thing come beneath for once. And for now information, before Dion Osage start that foundation, the Oba of Benin is aware. If they suffer, they look all of una. If they see wetin dey happen until one day where come still take a decision. Huh? Abeg, una change una way. Abad, stop creating hatred in the mind of the people. It's not good, man. Stop it. It will not help you. You are only destroying your future. You are destroying your career. If you even get career. Because of you, now many people can't even still get hatred for Obaseki. You don't know Obaseki before. It's not your brother. It's not your relative. Eh? You be Obaseki boy. You help him do re-election. You know the thing, can no go sit down the thing. If you be better person, you no go find post put you. He even know say you no be better person. Or what you they do? So it is Obaseki, no they see you for social media. If they see you, you don't know who you be. Bini say agio mama because you don't show who you be. You've already shown us that you are a wicked and jealousy guy. That is what me I know you for. Wicked and jealousy guy. Man go your sit down, they go your break. You go your sit down for share. You start to the monitor person. May I tell you, Dionosagi, it don't go. It don't go. God don't bless her. That crown, you cannot remove it. That vision, you cannot remove it. Use your energy where you take the monitor. Use your energy where you take the create hatred for people, man. Use them for better thing. It go good for you, not better pass. Because you are wasting your time. You can never stop that guy. You will try, but you will never succeed. Go and mark it. Light have nothing in common with darkness. I beg, my people, my adore people, Mona shall na eye, Mona follow no road, Mona no go for a side hole. Huh? Do you know no chop that money? Now the way we about take do one, now it decides, okay, if na so about you carry me you the treat. Mona, who know the Onosage before? Mona go the watch the live video. Mona go watch the video, the previous video where be say they do tell they help people. Una go say as the guy tell they follow up his case. Una say not transparent. Our person still tell the transparent rich. Not be because of the transparent cause all these problems. So because if they give the guy 1 naira, he go still write down for social media say now 1 naira they give him more. Now it cause all these problems. So wait, be say anytime where they travel go Europe, Abba go use the verse, hatred go just start like say you no get any other thing where be say they do. Huh? No names where you never called Dionosagi. No lies where you never lie against her. I don't know why people still even they believe you. I believe say those people where they believe you, there be people where be say they not follow up Dionosagi live show. If they follow up, they'll know say you are a big liar. You know, a liar will always tell more lies to cover up his previous lies. That is what you are just doing. Huh? You know they tire for evil. You never born, you never marry. You they love people where you don't marry, where you don't go that school. You will be small picking of yesterday. You can't old finish because of person matter. You know they look yourself for mirror. I pity for woman where go even marry yourself. Huh? Somebody no get what you do. Where do now? Thief, scam. It thief una money. Huh? It not thief una money. Charity, giving to the poor is willingness. If you feel like. I beg, change your way. All these things will not help you. And one thing I go know, God is involved in Dionosagi's issue. So nothing I go do where be say he go bring her down. No. Except God Almighty not permit charity. As far as say God permit charity, God knows that those people where be say they put smile for his face through him. God is happy about it. So God will not allow you people to stop those people from smiling. Crackhead bitch for inside village. My brother, I beg go find better thing to do with your life.